bro, we did that goddamn shit, boy. We did that goddamn shit, bro. Yeah, bro. We did that goddamn shit, bro. I just want to say, man, goddamn, it's been a long goddamn road. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, shout out to my goddamn, all my baby mama. Hey, ain't nothing but goddamn love, so you know what I'm saying? I ain't even got my goddamn faggot on, cause my goddamn cousin stole that bit, but still I represent that, hey, all goddamn day, shorty. All goddamn day, zone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to zone 100, nigga. Hey, y'all know what it is, bro. We did that goddamn shit, bro. We did that shit, bro. We goddamn, hey, bro, rise up, goddamn. Rise the fuck up, shorty. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, bro, rise up. You know what I'm saying, shorty? Shorty, rise the fuck up.